India is making strides in developing hydrogen-powered trains aiming for a more environmentally friendly alternatives to traditional diesel locomotives. The Indian Railways is working on a prototype powered by hydrogen fuel cells and plans to invite global expressions of interest for manufacturing. The question stands: how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody. The country's focus on renewable energy aligns with its near full electrification. Once the prototype is ready, partnership with domestic and international railway system manufacturers will be sought. If successful, India would join Germany as one of the few countries with commercially operational hydrogen trains. The retrofitting of the hydrogen fuel cells on the diesel electric multiple unit racks is a part of the plan, with the first prototype expected to run in Haryana. The Hydrogen for Heritage scheme envisions hydrogen train on select heritage and hilly routes, with 35 trains proposed at an estimated cost of Rs 80 crores each. While initial running cost may be higher, the overall aim is to reduce cost with an increase in the number of hydrogen-powered trains. Adding further, how does India plan to make hydrogen-powered trains commercially viable? What is the estimated cost of manufacturing and operating these trains compared to traditional diesel locomotives? Number 1 is technology efficiency and cost reduction. India aims to enhance the efficiency of hydrogen fuel cell technology to make it more cost effective. Research and development efforts focus on innovation that can reduce manufacturing cost while improving overall performance. Number 2 is economies of scale. The commercially viability of the hydrogen powered trains is expected to improve as the production scale up. Higher production volumes typically lead to economies of scale, reducing manufacturing cost per unit. Number 3 is long-term cost analysis. India may conduct a comprehensive long-term cost analysis that compares the total cost of ownership, including manufacturing, operational and maintenance cost of hydrogen-powered trains with traditional diesel locomotives. Number 4 is infrastructure investment. The government may invest in the necessary infrastructure to support hydrogen-powered trains, aiming to optimize costs associated with the ground infrastructure and refueling facilities. Number 5 is operational facilities. Assessment of the operational efficiency, such as fuel consumption and maintenance requirement, will likely be conducted to understand how hydrogen-powered trains perform over their life cycle compared to diesel locomotives. Number 6 is government subsidies and incentives. India might implement subsidies or incentives to encourage the adoption of hydrogen-powered trains. Financial support from the government can offset initial higher cost and promote the development of a sustainable and a competitive market. Number 7 is integration with renewable energy source. Integrating hydrogen production with renewable energy source can contribute to the overall cost effectiveness of the project. Utilizing green hydrogen production methods align with India's commitment to sustainability. Number 8 is public-private partnership. Collaboration with private enterprises can play a significant role in achieving commercially viability. Public-private partnership may involve sharing costs, leveraging expertise and promoting innovation in the hydrogen-powered train sector. Number 9 is customer demand and acceptance. Assessing customer demand and acceptance of hydrogen-powered trains will be crucial. Understanding the market's willingness to embrace this technology can impact the overall economic viability of this product. And number 10 is comparative analysis with global practices. India may conduct a comparative analysis with other countries that have successfully implemented hydrogen-powered trains, learning from that experiences to refine strategies for concept effectiveness. Hope you like the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.